Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Basics of Crochet, and today we will learn how to do treble crochet. So let's start it. Crochet hook that I'm using is 4.0 mm, and first we will start by making a slip knot like this. Now insert your hook into this loop and make it tight. And now work on foundation chain. So here I'm doing 15 foundation chains. So treble crochet stitch is very fast and easy, and mostly we use this stitch for making blankets or hammock or mesh tops. And yeah, my foundation chain is ready. Now we will add 4 more chains to our foundation chain. So now in total I have 19 chains. And now yarn over your hook twice and we will skip 1, 2, 3 and into 4th opening we will work. So insert your hook and then pull a loop, and you should have 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through middle 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. And this is the treble crochet stitch. And for the next stitch, again yarn over your hook twice and into next chain. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through middle 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. So this is your treble crochet stitch, and this is one of the easiest stitches. So let's complete the row and then I'll let you know how to start next row. So our row 1 is complete, and now for next row we will do chain 3 and then turn your work, and we will work into these gaps. Again yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook into this loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So like this, complete the row, and now you know how to do treble crochet. You can increase the length or width according to your project, and yeah, this is all about treble crochet. If you like this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe the channel, because in the next episode we will learn how to do V-stitch. So hit the subscribe button, like the video and comment down if you know how to do treble crochet. Till then, see you, bye bye, take care and see you in the next video.